Yeah, guys, it's back out in the street again on our journey to explore our next abandoned haunted house. And this one them says haunted because the person that died in this house, he was not found until long after he had done way past decomposed. So yeah, we'll go up the building there, we'll try seeing there, and then we'll do some random nothing, and we'll be heading to a tower also. Alright, so yeah man, now follow me. Yeah guys, so we have decided to go randonauting first. And for those who don't know what randonautica is, I'm gonna put the spelling on screen, and please just type it near Google or near YouTube and you'll get full information as to what that is. It's a quantum physics app which it helps you to find stuff, to find weird stuff, to find spirits and all of that. Y'all can check it out. However, we decided to go randonauting first and to view the tower. There's also a tower around here, and then we'll go back up at the house. But the house that is haunted. Chucky, I'll tell you about the house. We're haunted still.
Okay,
yeah,
hi folks, what's up?
Yeah, man.
Okay, alright, so the house that my friend Alex spoke about, it's on a property and it is located in Coriol. And that house has been possessed by a ghost, you know, and for about 5 years now. Yeah, and folks from the district, they go on the property to get life produced from the farm and tie their livestock on it also. So doing all that, they come aside, they encounter with ghosts, you know. Okay. Ghosts taking the vehicle to the main road.
So you may say
stuff like that.
Like the spirit were up there.
Yeah.
Are they slave master, or is a man who used to live there, is a farmer, or who is it?
Alright. The guy that used to live up there was the person who was taking care of the property.
Oh.
And he passed away, you know, more than about 5 years now, roughly, you know. Stuff like that. So
tell you one of the story then where them say
about the guy?
Yeah.
Okay, well, people are saying that, well, the autopsy, it's saying that the guy he was poisoned, you know.
Oh, he was poisoned?
Yeah. So, basically, you know, nothing haven't come out of it that much, you know, because the investigation didn't get any more leads.
No, man, I talk like the duppy story, things that people say. The people must see him.
Yeah, well, that guy, he shows himself to people, and you know, your head feel big, stuff like that, you know. He's when he shows himself to folks, you know, he's in a vex mood.
Oh, I'm upset.
Yeah, he's upset, you know. So basically, you know, it's very unfortunate, you know, what happened to him.
Okay.
So, you know, that's a little of what I know, because I didn't know much about the guy.
Alright. Alright. Yeah, man. Yeah, peeps, so they're on where?
I catch the bird up on the coconut tree.
Can I see now?
I see.
Yeah, we're catching. Guys, so I'm gonna be showing you guys the Randonautica app and where it is leading us. Alright? Yeah, man. That's it, loading up. Oh, sorry. Alright, so enter username. Hold on, guys. Yeah, guys, so we're gonna use void and click void, and then it generates. So we're searching for a void in this area, which means an area where there's a spirit activity or stuff like that. Click generate. As you notice, guys, it gives us a point. You know, product, Chucky?
Yeah, carry on same way.
You know,
So, the location.
scroll out and show our location.
Alright.
No.
So let's see from it.
Okay, so that will be behind us.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, so we will be searching for this one. So what we're gonna do, we'll go for the tower first. Alright? Yeah, man. Now follow me. Yeah, peeps. So the tower, I run water. So the tower we have visited today, guys, is a 16th century tower. Alright, that was built in 1614 by the Spanish. Alright, these towers were built to facilitate the tunnel system and also as lookout points. Yeah, some of them was water mills, some were windmills, but this one was actually a lookout point and one that facilitated the tunnel facility. The tunnel, what do I call it? The tunnel movement of slaves, because they moved them underground to the plantation so that when they come up on land, they wouldn't know where they are located, so they couldn't run away. Alright, so this is a tower that I once went to. However, after I did the video, I realized there were more structures surrounding that tower. So that's where we're heading back to get those documented on film. Alright, so yeah, follow me, peeps, and if you haven't done so already, consider subscribing to Elite Jamaica, as that really does help the channel. And do me a big, give it a big thumbs up. Where's it, Chucky? Alright. Yeah, man. So we almost reached. This is not going to be a long video, guys. As I noticed, we are trying to get to the point. We don't want to give a long stretch out video because some people are using data to watch. I really have to consider that. Alright. Yeah, man. So that's on way. Today is Sunday, guys. Today is Sunday. Today my birthday. Today me now go talk. I want you all to guess. So, gonna follow me. Yeah, guys, we reached the surroundings and we just realized they want look at truck gone down in some bush down this and we never go down this yet. And also I think there should be a building up on top of that hill. Every time I come down I see it and it disappears, I see it and it disappears. So I'm always scared to go up there, but Chucky brave. So Chucky said I'm gonna go explore it today and see if it's up there for you. However, guys, now look over there, so that's what left of the tower that was here. Yeah, man. So now we'll go inside on the plantation and go search for the rest of the building then. Alright? Yeah, man. Chucky never seen nothing like this yet, you know, man.
Never. Is that falling to iron? Wow. That's it.
This was huge, you know. This is tall go up in the air, you know. Yeah. So that, guys. Even when we came here, we never come inside like this, you know. One thing we don't have some mosquito, you know.
Yeah, man.
No. So guys, this is inside of the tower. Yeah, man. Yeah, peeps. Gotcha. Don't follow me.
Once. Yeah. The red card in the bro.
Yeah, guys. As I said, today my birthday and we're out in the field. Today's a no alcohol day still. So we're not drinking today and not doing it. Yeah, so this is the tower, guys, behind me. As Chuck showed them that. That's the tower over there. Alright. And down here now, guys. Down here we have another piece of structure that's right down there. We're gonna view that also. But there should be another piece down here also. So let us see if it's not.
Alright. Yeah. Wow. Goodness. Look at you, little. Yeah.
Yeah, guys, so let me show you over here. What do you want to do over there?
Strip on the side here. Wow. I think them might do me bad.
For them body,
No, man. Wow. Okay.
Because of them building a love island. But you go out back on the road. That's fine.
Wow.
Them building a love island.
True. Fine, remember? Wow, the glass broke.
Glass broke?
Yeah.
Oh.
Just come off now, man.
Yeah, guys.
Wow.
So this is another part of the wall. I want me to understand about this at the construction, like this was a column right here. That's alone.
Yeah.
Was a column. You can notice this split right down. You see me?
Yeah, true.
So this coming like it was either a house, one security house. Yeah, guys, so that's part of the wall right there. Shades broke.
No, probably not.
You have to wear one alone at a time.
That's the agent,
Yeah, guys. So I'm still not finding the rest of the building. However, we still came and found that. For those who haven't been to this location before. Yeah, guys.
Nice. Quality, you know? Quality.
First you have to see something like that. We don't find out them dead from here, Eric.
No.
Okay. Yeah, man. All for them old structure of the boy, part of history.
Yeah.
Then use the tower them to facilitate the tunnel then.
Oh.
Alright, so like how the memory beat we now go do the random thing today. We just got the house and dig through the house, is it? Guys, we'll try to save some space to go do the house. Alright, I know y'all waiting to see inside of that house, so yeah. So the road there, Chucky, where you say the road there down here, so can bring go down at the house where the man dead.
Yeah.
Where them find the man? But I think I do on the next side, so come take the road there then. Yeah, look for the house. Guys, there's a house up there, and each time I come on, you see it and then disappear, and then we see it and then it disappear. But me I say, true, me can't see good and Kenneth can't see good. Me make Chucky look and see if what house is really up there. You know? So Chucky, you will have visual roundup. See nothing? See nothing? Alright, come in. Alright guys, so confirm see nothing up there then. Cause me always a one diner. Alright, so you see we take the road and go down the house.
Yeah.
Alright, so that's why I wanna say I feel haunted. And this is the haunted road.
Yeah, man.
Okay. Alright, so the pound way peeps. Guys, so we see like, we have to something up there, so. Normal stone will grow, yes. Come on a stone, man. But up here just look, something up here?
Yeah.
Something did up here.
Yeah.
Them with that work up here or something. Them with that block stone. Something to build. That's sitting there down there, so build the tower. Maybe up here so them get the stone them from build the tower. Come here. Yo, one slingshot here. We have to make 2 slingshots now. Alright, one bicycle tube. Alright guys, so after Chucky said him sure side the road, him said I'm not sure enough, but him feel like tour, so I have to see what I go on the road there. Because I could have swear the next road still. But that's see what I go on. If you all want us to explore this road, let me know in the comment section down the road. Down below. Type the word explore. I want one for in our bush, sir. Oh, me hear him. Come no, me hear sitting run up and down. Another one may come out, it's a different house may come out, man.
Never know.
Yeah. Different house may come out.
Wow. Yeah.
Where's the upstairs?
Might be more house.
This is just an entrance now.
Yeah.
What
the property. I don't know.
That lock?
Yeah.
That what make?
It's like a door for the building. Yeah.
I only for construction there, Chucky.
Yeah. One ton load. Wow. Oh, that's something.
Huh?
This.
It's a shark like the animal.
Oh. Animal wearing.
Yeah, guys. This is a shark for animal.
Wow. Natural. Nature.
We have a step down here.
Yeah?
Yeah. You see nothing in a bush there?
Look while ago. Look while ago, no?
Look in a bush there.
That's one step?
Yeah, one step down.
Oh, sure. Yeah. Wow. The farm puppy.
I give me a warm time though.
Yeah. Like on something alright. Something on this about me. So might look at go more. Alright.
Yeah guys, this is an amazing find. Never expect to find this one here. So.
Yeah.
This is a look for. Never this way I look for peeps, but
Wow.
yeah.
Yeah.
So peeps, guys, we say we are explore. So come we explore. We have a further way. Where's the truck?
Yeah. Wow.
Sun body on now. Okay, yeah man.
This piece.
Anyone.
Sweeter piece.
Out for sweet and I see him kid. Well, guys, look there. Look up there, so guys. How are we really going today?
Today we're lucky there.
Today we're lucky there. Alright, look at the entrance door. Let's done. Look at the entrance door up here, so.
Cane season.
Yeah guys, so Chucky up on our roll today. Chucky find 2 buildings so far. It's a community building, that's what Chucky realize. See, this is more than one house you find.
Sure.
It's a wall, it's the same trough, you know, man. It's the same trough, you know. Something, you know.
Yeah.
I don't know what they say happen. Okay. Yeah, guys, but we not really can get access down here. So, I mean, I'll be able.
When they're rough.
Yeah, I just try to see if a stone or a block, you know?
Yeah. Wow.
I can flim down here. Just flim as much as you can flim up.
That one, yeah?
It's big, you know?
Nice building.
Next wall over this.
Then I could have been reoccupied animals. Yeah. And see, it's not bad one. Black block.
No next wall over this.
Yeah. True. Oh, I'm a favorite food.
Look at the camera.
Cane. Cane. Wow. Yes, guys. Those big trees, they are known as nutmeg. And they have one a lot right now. I mean a lot. Loaded.
Yeah guys, the whole around here seems to have been an abandoned community. Like the road they go up was just a community road. And the house under there again, because we don't understand. It's a 2 house now. We'll go further up guys and see if we find them more. Try to keep your eyes peeled, because we can't see good enough. Yeah,
alright.
Yeah guys, so this is the famous nutmeg tree. And it's well loaded, you know. These are nutmegs. You see, where do you pick them and put them for dry, Chucky?
Yeah, I make them dry and them dry. They get nutmeg out the shell. Because the outer layer is the shell.
Okay. Yeah guys, so that's nutmeg for those who didn't know.
Yep. Yeah. And it's the Muslim.
Is there?
The one.
You see one on that tree?
Yeah.
We're good? Ready?
Yeah. Okay.
What's it?
Nothing. Egg.
Yeah peeps, that's nutmeg.
Yeah. And this is it when it's in the shell. These ones are in the shell. You know. Alright, so let's have to pick up the one again. You know that, bro. Skin it in up. Yeah, skin it. Let's get it. Let's get it. This is a medicine. Alright. So, let me get some. So.
Yeah, good to go.
Let's go, yeah.
Found another piece of building right here. Not sure what was here. But there's one little piece to find. But up here now, But up here now, guys, we have a next building up there, like a next house. So we'll check out that.
Yeah.
Check it out at the right time to make me say after going up.
Huh?
There's still another house and I look fine.
Wow. So I feel like I have to then find the man still, you know? The upper room right, so. Not really.
You see him? There's much inside here to explore. However, being the person I am, and y'all being the audience you are, I think I should have gone there still.
Yeah.
However, we not risk safety for amusement.
Show that.
Alright, we can't risk safety for amusement, peeps. So we'll move on and see if we find another house. We really want to see this still.
So, have a look.
No, me not going to. Yeah, guys, so.
Yeah.
Next building here. We're good there alone, I said.
Sure.
But, come over here.
Alright.
Remember, we're low on film.
Yeah.
Peeps. Round there, so. I'm not go back around there, so. I'm tired. That place is haunted. That's the first place Mr. drain me energy like this. So we are go down the road and head around to our next house. Where I think around there so we find the man still. You want to send the dead?
Yeah.
But Chucky said that one, we don't know. Maybe we can feel the energy when we go on this and know if around there.
So
but this house around here, guys, the house they haunted. Another one that I'm really interested to go in. So you know, follow me. I'm tired, you know? Follow me, guys. Time I'm tired is like we'll find something else. You know, as me say I'm tired and cut camera, Chucky come and say my peak and say for that more and go left. I'm not sure what is down there yet, guys. But I'll go down there. I'm doing this all for you.
Yeah.
I'll do this for you. You see it?
Alright.
So, what one?
In front.
In front, you know?
Let's go on straight in front.
Damn, I can't see me about me.
Yeah, I'm it. Let's go on. Don't be a patient. Look like goal now.
Whoa.
Look like goal now.
No.
What move fast? What run? Look there. What run, folks?
Guys. Yeah, guys, so as I said, we never know down here, so we're tired and all of that. However, we are running out of space, guys. We found a whole entire complex down here. So this will be our next video. Thank you all for joining. It was really a pleasure having you here. I'm tired and I'm far away I walk. Me hear people and say I'm tired.
Myself from this reality.